One of the pros to purchasing the house before the end of the year is you still get to deduct all of your closing expenses. Now, I'm not giving tax advice. Of course, you need to talk to your professional tax accountant and find out exactly which ones you are allowed to deduct and take off of your taxable income. But a lot of your closing costs, a lot of your moving expenses, depending on your situation, can really help your tax burden if you get it done before the end of the year. The point is, there's fewer buyers and there's fewer sellers. So here's the deal. The people that are in the market, buyers or sellers, they're serious. They want to get the deal done. They want to move on. So it's a very good time to get rid of all the tire kickers, eliminate the static, eliminate all of the hassles, and just basically get right down to brass tacks and let's get your house sold, or let's find you a house to move into. There's still time to get you into a house before the holidays and before the end of the year.